You try to start your car on a busy morning, you turn the key, and absolutely nothing happens, or even scarier, your car suddenly lunges forward because the engine fired up without you even touching the clutch pedal. This dangerous and frustrating situation is exactly what happens when your computer triggers code P2830, which points to a malfunction in the clutch pedal switch I circuit. This switch, which many people also call the clutch position sensor or the clutch start switch, is a vital safety feature in manual transmission vehicles. Its main job is to make sure you have the clutch pedal fully depressed before the starter motor is allowed to engage, preventing the car from jumping forward and hitting whatever is in front of it. It is usually just a simple on and off switch mounted right on the support bracket under your dash, near where your left foot lies. When you press the pedal, it closes the contacts and allows the 12-volt signal to flow to the starter solenoid. If your powertrain control module detects that this circuit is open or behaving weirdly, it will lock you out of the starting process entirely to keep things safe. This code is usually moderate in severity, but it becomes a major safety issue if that switch fails in a way that lets the car start in gear. To figure this out, you do not need to be a master mechanic, you just need a flashlight and a little bit of patience. Get down in the footwell and look at the switch itself for any obvious physical damage. Because your feet are constantly moving around down there, it is very common for a wiring harness to get kicked, for a connector to wiggle loose, or for a piece of the carpet to get jammed in the mechanism. Look for any frayed wires or burn spots that might indicate a short. If the switch looks okay, grab your digital multimeter and check for continuity. When you press the pedal, the meter should show 0 ohms of resistance, and when you let go, it should show an open circuit. If the switch is working but the car still will not start, check for a blown fuse or a faulty starter relay before you ever think about replacing the entire starter or the engine computer. A little bit of electrical contact cleaner on the plug can go a long way in fixing a bad connection that is preventing your car from recognizing that your foot is on the clutch, getting you back on the road safely without an expensive trip to the repair shop.